Alrighty guys, we're going to send you backwards first. Make sure all your phones and cameras stay away at all times and enjoy your ride.
I think we're going backwards. Are you ready, Zoe? No, look!
Alrighty guys, welcome back. Hope you had fun. Exit out to your left hand side once those lap bars lift, and have a good rest of your day here at Sydney's Luna Park. Alrighty guys, we're going to send you backwards first. Make sure your phones and cameras stay away. Enjoy the ride. We'll see you back here soon. Alrighty guys, welcome back. Hope you had fun. Exit to your left once those lap bars lift, and have a good rest of your day here at Sydney's Luna Park.